How to recover line password. So first things first is you just have to clear cache and data cookies directly from the application, so you will have a very beginning interface upon opening the app. And here choose on login and then use your main device or maybe a sub device. Now on the next page, you will be asked to log in either via QR code or log in with another method. Now for you to recover your line password, you should or you need to remember any specific or any available methods that you set up upon creating an account online. So as you can see from here, you can choose to log in with your phone number from your iOS or Apple account and from your Google account. This is very simple. All you have to do if you choose on Google, just simply tap on that and you will receive an OTP or a one-time password from that email, and then just simply access it, copy that code, and go back to the app. Those are the things that you can do for you to recover your line password.